Hello everyone, today is going to be a packed day. First, many of you may know me from the educational videos that I create on TikTok about Japan. And so I got a lot of comments saying, Lindo, can you show us a day in the life of you creating these TikTok videos? Lindo, can you show us the process of how you do it? And I said, that's a good idea. So I contacted two friends and I said, hey, do you guys want to make a video? They said, yeah. I said, cool. So what we're going to do, we're going to document the TikTok video process, or at least how I do it. So today, first I'm going to be using, you may see this in the video, so just so that you're aware, I'm going to be using a wireless mic. So if you see this wire in this setting, you're like, what's going on? What's happening? You now know. First, I'm starving. You guys all know the place I go to when I'm starving. The Onigiri shop. Takana Onigiri with karage. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to see some of my TikTok videos and you'll understand. Anyways, so I'm gonna be going there first. I'm actually not going to lay out the whole schedule here. I'll put it on the subtitles throughout the video so that you can see. But today's gonna be a packed video. This is a day in the life of a TikTok Japan influencer. Konnichiwa. You have takana onigiri?
Takana.
Hi. So right now I just ordered a one onigiri. It's gonna be done in about 3 minutes, so I'm waiting for that now. So I'll have that. What onigiri do you want?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I want to eat right now.
Well, what you can eat it later. That's fine. Do you like tuna?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we can get tuna for you.
495円になります。
ありがとう。
1000円お預かりします。
This karage is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. ありがとうござい
お
ます。
箸はいりますか？
Hi. Do you guys want chopsticks as well? 1、2、3、4ください。
はい、すいません。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
Hi. I love this onigiri shop. They have a ton of variety to choose from. All right, so now we're going to do a TikTok video. So let's get that started. Okay. Let's get that started. All right. Yeah, I must say that's. I always do the TikTok videos, which are fine. It's normal, but it is a little bit odd to do it and notice that I'm being recorded on different angles. So it's interesting, but I was still able to deliver. So right now we're going to meet Honoka. We're going to do the Your Name in Japanese series. So we're gonna take the train now. Go to another station. You'll see it very shortly. All right, so we're gonna meet Honoka. She's gonna be there at 10, so we're a little bit early, which is fine. We can do a couple of other things before that, maybe some planning. But it's good. It's better just to be a little early than it is to be late and rushing on time. So before we meet Honoka, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Are you guys capturing me in the bathroom too? All right, anyways, it's a very productive day today. So you okay? You okay? Uh-oh. because we're a little early. So she's gonna be here at 9:40. What's the time? 9:43? I think she's. Honoka! Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are
Good.
you?
I'm good. So, what I was thinking is that we can meet at the park, which is not far. It's probably like 7 minutes away, 8 minutes away. But I have to tell you, I think on TikTok, I think people know you more than they do me.
No.
Yes, I think so. It is so popular, and everyone's like, "Oh, what's my name? What's it? Please ask Honoka. What's my name? What's my name?" And I'm like, "Okay, I will ask Honoka. What's your name?" So, yeah, congratulations for that.
Yeah, thank
You're like
you.
super famous now. Oh, a second one is coming. Okay, I was like, why isn't this going up?
Before?
No, I have not. No.
The first time.
Yeah, first time.
You decided that park.
So I decided that park because I needed to choose a place to record. Since they're helping, I figured that when we are doing the your name in Japanese, they can hold the camera.
Oh, really?
So this is gonna be easier, and I think the background will be nicer. Yeah, that's fine. I think that's good. Maybe more here. Honoka's famous. Your name in Japanese.
Russian addition.
Vladimir.
What?
Vladimir.
Vladimir.
Vova.
Vova.
Olga.
Olga.
And that's it for the Japanese edition.
Let us know if you want to see part 2.
Perfect. Awesome. Honoka, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
appreciate it. This is great.
Thank you.
It's always good doing this
Yes,
with you.
anytime.
Awesome. So you're gonna go to class now, right?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So we're gonna head out. I'm gonna go to Kawagoe, do some more shoots, and I'll let you know how the videos turned out.
Yes.
Okay, thank you again.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll see you soon.
Yes.
Okay,
bye.
bye-bye. I think, Honoka, are we going the same direction?
Yeah, maybe.
Let me see. Let me put this on the maps. Yeah, thanks again. Do you find it challenging to say these names in like we did Chinese, Arabic, Russian, I was gonna say Chinese again, Spanish. We did so many.
Yeah.
Do you find it difficult?
No.
No.
I can do that.
Okay. This is gonna be a very short live, okay? Let me know if you can hear me. I don't have much time here. Okay, cool. Guess who I'm with right now? I'm with Honoka here.
Ah.
So if you like to hear your name in real time, just let me know your name and she'll say it here. I'll let you hold it.
Okay. Brian. Zoe.
That's cool. That's cool.
Brian. Yeah.
How many followers do you have?
On TikTok?
Yeah.
400K.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Is that a lot?
Is that 400K a lot?
Yeah.
I don't know. You decide.
Camila. Okay.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Honoka. I appreciate it. I know there's so many names here. All right. I'll see you soon.
Yes.
Okay. Bye-bye. You're welcome. You too. All right. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it was very quick. We were doing some other names, so be prepared for that. And we're doing a vlog. So say hello. Right now, you guys are in the video. Anyways, guys, I gotta go. I may do it live very quickly. I'm sorry I didn't get to your comments. I don't know what you guys are saying besides your names to Honoka. But that's it for now. I'll see you later. All right, so now we're going to a traditional Japanese shop. We're going to try out some sweets, obviously. So let's go in. This is it over here. As you can tell, it's super, super small. I didn't even know they would have ones pre-made already. There's a lot of variety here. Let's see, which one to try? A lot of crackers. Probably not gonna try crackers today. I wanna try something very specific. Sumimasen.
はい、
これは何ですか?
もなか。
Ah, monaka.
はい。
Okay. Let me see. これはどら焼きですか?
はい。
Okay.
お餅どら焼き。
どこですか? Omochi. Wow. So this is mochi In.
イン、
Anko?
あんこ、あんこ、イン、
Anko and
プラ
mochi.
スお餅。
Okay. Do you like anko and mochi? Good. Okay, so we'll get 2. Do you like mochi? Okay.
ありがとうございます。
はい。
はい。137円です。はい。
Very traditional packaging, it seems. I like that they have this wooden tray so that you can put your yen on it. Arigato.
はい。
はい。
1000円頂戴します。
3 dorayakis.
463円のお返しです。
ありがとう。
どうもありがとうございます。
All right, so now we're gonna go into the second sweet shop, literally next door. So let's see, they have a variety of sweets that I really like. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. Have you had this before? Well, you're about to have one. You're about to have one. All right, we already have a dorayaki, so we don't need to get that. I think 2 sweets are good for today.
310円ですね。はい、500円でよろしいですか？
It's similar. It also has mochi inside and anko. It's a big receipt. That's a big receipt.
でこちら潰れやすいので。
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。
Awesome. Cool. So we'll just choose the spot right now to do the TikTok video. It doesn't have to be a super fancy spot. Arigato. Doesn't have to be a super fancy spot. What do you think about the lighting? You guys should definitely try it. All right. All right, so now we're gonna go to Kabagoe Station. All right, so right now I'm just going live on TikTok. I'm just gonna show them a couple of the spots around here, and then we'll go to Kabagoe Station and conclude the video. Yeah, so hey guys, thank you so much. Appreciate it. I'm gonna go now. Just wanted to show you a quick video, a quick live video of Kabagoe and some of the spots. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Oh, it's out of service. All right, so this is the end of the video, and this is kind of what it looks like when I'm gonna do TikTok videos. I plan it out, I go to different places, I shoot it, I capture it, and then of course I edit it. So that's it, but most importantly, I really wanna know about the 2 people behind me right now who's capturing this entire footage, and I wanna hear their experience about it.
Hello guys, so basically my experience was nice. I have done same kind of videos quite a lot in the past, but this time it was different because it was in Japan and I kind of got to interact. So it was the first time for me being a front man in front of the camera as well. For you?
For me, I have never done videos. I have done a lot of photography, but it was very exciting actually. A lot of adrenaline and it was a lot of running around because I was doing behind the scene and I had to be out of the his camera, so it was a lot of running, and I kept on sweating. But it was so exciting. It was so fun.
It was kind of very exciting for me as well.
Bye.
Trying onigiri and karage. Guys, look at this beauty over here. This is a pickled mustard green onigiri and it's huge. And you know very well, I'm not complaining. I never thought I would love a rice ball that is only filled with a vegetable. Time to try the karage. I love how it's fried, yet you don't taste any excess oil. But wait, I need to have this with the onigiri. This must be how it feels like to be in Food Wars. A tender sweet crunch with a subtle creamy texture along with flavored rice infused with pickled mustard green. That is raising the bar. It's always sad when you finish a good meal. I definitely recommend Takana Onigiri along with karage.